Hey everybody, it's Mike from i-Blason, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Aries onto the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. First off, thank you for purchasing the Aries. For those who believe style is as important as protection, the Aries is perfect because it offers all the protection you trust from i-Blason without hiding that beautiful S9 design. So this is very simple. Aries is a two-piece snap-on cover, so what you're going to do first is separate the front casing from the back cover, and you want to always start from the bottom right corner. As you can see, there's a little divot there where you can stick a key or a coin, even your fingernail. I prefer a key because you can get all the way down under there, and just pop it in, pop off the casing, and just very carefully remove it. Sometimes we hear from our fans that it's really difficult to remove these front casings, but as long as you get under that divot and use something long like a key, it shouldn't be too hard, but at least you know that your phone's protected. So what we want to do first is actually put the phone into the front casing, and it just snaps right over the top like that. And then once you have the phone in the front casing, slide it in at an angle into the case, the back cover, snap it over, just make sure all the sides and the corners are snapped on, and it's nice and secure, fits nice and snug. Make sure that your camera's aligned, your port covers are aligned. Now, if you ever drop your phone, the Aries durable rubber frame will absorb the shock. The dual layer back cover not only protects your phone from impact, it's also scratch resistant, so you can keep it in the same pocket as your keys, or if you like to use magnetic mounts, you don't have to worry about it getting all scuffed up all the time. And it's also completely compatible with wireless chargers. And of course, the built-in screen protector to prevent scratches and cracks, giving your S9 and S9 Plus complete and total protection. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Please let us know if you have any questions or feedback. We'd love to hear from you guys. Links in the description below. And for the most durable and affordable cases, covers, and more, visit i-Blason.com.